I firmly believe that all car crashes are avoidable. I hate it when people say that there's nothing they could do, because I think that's just to relieve their guilt and the responsibility of actually driving and being behind the wheel. Because there's always something you can do, and if there wasn't, you either weren't paying enough attention or you just didn't do it on time. So I was driving along the other day and this happened. And from this reconstruction, you can see that this crash is a prime example. It could have been easily avoided, but since neither of our egos took a back seat, he just ended up hitting me in the front. And most of the damage is on the silver sports car from the early 2000s. I have a list of all the damage. I am supposed to replace my front bumper, a lot of trim, some more trim, new fog light, new turn signal, new cover on the headlight, repair the hood, swap the fender, repaint the wheel, and the fender liner needs to be replaced. I'm waiting for the insurance payment on this, but I have got a new fender, so I might as well replace it because right now I can't put in my turn signal. So let's do that now. This is the most over-engineered fender liner there is. It goes all the way back to the middle of the car pretty much, but I managed to get it out enough so that I can reach this bolt over here. But I wanted you to take a look at this. When somebody says you should clean your fenders, this is what they mean. All this mud from the fender liner over here, and then you wonder why your car rusts. With the fender liner out of the way, we have one bolt down here, two here in the door frame, four under the hood, and one under here behind the turn signal. Alright, so out with the old. By the way, I'm not gonna throw this away. I think I can still use it for, like, if I go drifting or if I mess up the new one even worse than this one. So I'm gonna keep it because I think it still might be good for something. Now, where did I leave the new one? There it is. Alright. No rust on this one, and it looks actually very good. I'm gonna transfer the trim piece because this one is black and this one isn't, and I'm gonna need a turn signal. I'm gonna do that with the fender on the car because I feel like I'm doing more damage than good. Other than that, looks brand spanking new. There is a small scratch, smaller than the one on the other one. sit rep. After a little bit of struggling, I've buttoned up the fender liner, and all that's missing is the front piece, so it's time for it now. Car's all buttoned up for now. It's not perfect, it never was and it never will be. There's more stuff to be done on the hood, the bumper, the blinker for example. But that's it for now. I just wanted to get the big eyesore out of the way and start moving on from this unfortunate clash of egos. It goes to show sometimes when you stand up for yourself, you end up getting hurt. That doesn't mean you should bend over for everybody now, does it? Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!